Hello my friends. Well, we took it down to the scales and weighed it, and it is underweight, so it can roll. We got insurance now, so we got that covered, and this is the new paint. To do a little walk around too, you can see the trailer's being painted, the truck, this is all the new paint with new sparkly stuff on it, and see if I can see that. It's looking really good. It's looking like a new truck now, so quite happy to pull into the campsite. Yesterday we had an open house, lots of friends and family coming over to see what's happening, and so we set up, got our entrance all set up here, and carpet on the ground, and of course a mat underneath because there's moisture under, so that makes it easier to clean up and break down and get moving. People seem to be quite impressed with the deck, and on a day like this, nice sunny day, sitting out on the deck, nice view from up there.
With a mini split, right?
Yes.
Isn't that what they mean when you get hot and cold?
Or you can, sure.
Yeah.
So how many batteries?
There's 5. There's lithium batteries.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
Well,
Yeah.
that's the price of a loaf of bread.
It is, and it took almost 5 months for them to get here.
Yeah.
And Clayton had to go to Vancouver to get them through after they came through customs.
We have 2.
Wow.
Do you?
That's it.
Yeah.
And then, you know,
This is where the motorcycle goes, and
Yeah.
that's where her scooter goes. You missed that
okay.
part.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the ramp. This door goes down, and then
So you can run everything off the batteries for a while,
the
eh?
ramp will hook
I
up
can
to
go about a
the
week
bars.
without
Over
sunshine.
top of the doors.
Wow.
This
Oh, I
is-
see.
You
Yeah.
can't drive on this.
Because you
so
can,
the ramp is
like, I mean, we have lithium batteries in ours, but
over top.
Right.
it'll,
It also hooks
it
to
can
the
go
truck.
down seriously if you're doing anything really in
All
it.
this stuff.
Well,
You know,
it's
overnight.
Oh,
50
wow.
kilowatt hours
So that's
storage.
cool. I like the toolbox myself.
Yeah.
Okay,
So that's
I don't know what ours is. I could look it up, but I don't know.
yeah,
Don't ask me
that's
about that one. Says
that's a lot.
if
I
you-
think there's
if
a-
you need the technical part, that's where.
On the
I
actual
just
solar
like the
panels, I
sheet.
thought it was
Yes.
is it 180 watts or something?
And we got 5,000 watts on the roof.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to look in my book. Our numbers aren't like that, but
Yeah.
you can watch it. You start switching it over to the inverter, and then you turn the microwave on, and it's just pulling amps like crazy.
Yeah.
This is just
I had a generator. I got rid of it because it was noisy and heavy and vibrated,
Okay.
and so the generator on the truck,
That's awesome.
I might upgrade that to a higher amperage one. That
So
goes
you're
in.
putting, you can charge from the.
Well, it goes from the truck 12 volts into an inverter, which changes to 240 AC.
Yep.
That then straight through the plug system up to the inverter, and the inverter likes 240, and that charges battery.
Okay. So driving down the highway, you're charging anyways,
Calgary.
Yeah, when I turn it on, then
Yeah.
it got charged. So
which is handy because you look at ours and I mean,
Oh, okay.
And then we're
the,
going
yeah,
to
the sun
the
charges it,
church, the
and it
little
charges it,
church
and it can put a few amps in it. You can just watch it on the gauge,
across the street.
but it's.
also new is the new batteries. Got 5 lithium-ion Powerwall units, and that gives us a capability of 50 kilowatt hours of energy storage. So when the sun is shining, we've got lots of capacity to pick up the sun energy through the solar controller, and then through the inverters and through the transformer down there into the panel.
So got the ones that aren't in that in your
I
book.
have more somewhere.
Oh, do you?
Yes.
Okay.
But they must be got in a box
This
that
one
really
is,
didn't
this
have
is one I
anything to
haven't
do
read,
with
but I
us.
want to get. The Handsome Man Deluxe Cafe.
Yeah.
oh, that's the detective lady.
Yeah, I love those books.
How was the last bookshop in London? Wasn't that
I haven't read it. I haven't read any of this yet.
Oh, okay.
you're kidding.
Oh, wow.
I've just been slowly
there's some
collecting
good
them
books
over
in
the
here
last
then.
5 years.
Oh, you're gonna have a good time.
Oh, I could never keep a book that long. Well, I had
Well, you can't.
need to wash and dry. We did laundromat, and then I'm like,
No.
we started thinking about it. We're like, no, maybe we will get a.
Laundromats are horrible places.
Yeah. Well,
Well, they
you
can
can
be.
find lots of interesting people in
They're
laundromats.
just like bus depots, or used
Yeah.
to be bus
Yeah.
depots until
I
they
just
were-
always worry about what people were what they were washing off their clothes, and you're sticking your clothes in.
Well, it's legitimate because sometimes
Yeah.
it's their grodiest
I know
thing.
people
They
used to
gotta
take
wash
hides
their-
and stuff in there and put them in the
Yeah,
machine. So,
yeah.
No.
Or
Agreed.
people with dogs that they only wash their blankets once a year.
Oh, this
And they
is an
don't do it
awesome
at home.
idea.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is your does this do the upholstery?
Yep.
That's awesome.
Ah.
That is awesome.
What
cool.
is
Yeah.
like
Cool.
Solar.
Wow.
What's it?
When,
It is a singer.
when we go in, there's a little
Yeah.
microwave.
Can I sit in the driver's seat?
No,
I want
she
to.
won't get out.
You bet.
I want to sit
Oh,
in the
they're
driver's
nicer than me.
Ah, yeah. I can do this.
No.
That'd be.
And the screen above the driver is my rear mirror.
Yeah.
I can actually turn it
That's
on.
much bigger than the one in my Ford.
Well, that's kind of neat that you actually got. You don't always have to go back there to warm up something or have a bite.
So, like, I could, if we were going to be gone for a day or two, you could make some food and put it in the little fridge.
Yeah,
and-
yeah.
Or lunches, you know, when you're driving.
Sure.
Yeah.
Maybe if you have to get somewhere in a day.
What's in my short little legs?
I couldn't do
couldn't
it.
touch
No.
anything. Yeah.
No.
Well, that is cool. No big beard here. Come on.
I think the key is in it.
It is.
Oh, do you want to take us for a little?
Don't tell her. You're around the parking lot.
Next thing you know.
You'll be sorry.
I've only
Well,
done
that
it
is
once.
an awesome unit. That is so cool.
I
Never.
like the feel of this mat.
Isn't that something?
We just got this in Winners.
Oh, nice part.
It's a nice mat.
And the
too.
color's great. It goes with
That would go
you can
very
move
well
that
in
around
the
your house.
upstairs room.
It's lovely.
It
The
would
whole
match on your deck outside in the
Yes.
upstairs.
Hello. I've just been given a tour of this wonderful big rig, and it's absolutely fabulous. And from what I can see, pretty well self-sufficient. I would go for a ride in this anytime.
Way to go, Clayton. Congratulations. What a place. It's the massiveness of it, the size, yeah. It's pretty cool.
What do you think?
Well, I've heard the stories, and I've seen it once in construction. But now to see it all put together, I'm so happy for you both. And I think every corner has a story. You know, it's fantastic. Yeah.
Okay.
Hi,
Hi.
we're Kevin and Heather Allen.
And we've just been through an awesome tour of this, and it's really amazing to see it all come together. We've sort of seen it at various stages, but really amazing all the thought and details, and just how well designed it is when you actually walk through everything. So
It's beautiful.
it's been a really marvelous work in progress. I've really enjoyed seeing it come together. So
Yeah, I love it's beautiful. It's like a beautiful home. And even though it's a travel trailer, there's beautiful touches in the light fixtures, and the bathroom fixtures are gorgeous. Wallpaper, a beautiful place to sit outside and inside in a reclining chair, and live wood counters. It's just amazing, not to mention the detailed work of the wiring, plumbing, filtration systems. It's hard to put it all into words. It's amazing.
yeah, it's been wonderful.
We haven't seen it all, but what I've seen so far has been amazing. This is quite a project you've been working on, and yeah, I'm very impressed. I mean, I could live here. It's just like the Orient Express. Bedroom,
She just commented as she
living
walked
room
past
here,
and felt it, Nancy.
deck out
And
back,
she said, "Oh, isn't that beautiful?"
and
Oh, yes, that-
full
that's such
kitchen
a nice
downstairs.
Oh, and she kept going.
eating nook. What do you got in the front? Your workshop. I mean, it's all equipped. Good for you, Clayton.
Thank
Great
you.
project.
It goes right there. With that.
Okay, you guys,
Did you remember that on
give
purpose?
me
What's that? No, not at all.
give me your impressions. What do you think of the place?
It's fantastic.
Yes, lovely.
Brilliant job. Yeah. A work of
You'll
art.
and you will enjoy every minute in it. I mind.
Okay, it is like so amazing, and I think beyond the beauty of it and the functionality of it, for me the fascinating thing is how deeply you've thought of every single thing, and security, and I can't even express that I'm fascinated with that sort of engineering that's gone into this thing. It's just surprise after surprise.
And even though I have seen much of this taking place over the years and have had the privilege, in fact the honor really, to come and see it taking shape, I'm just blown away by seeing it ready to roll, and it's pretty amazing. This is quite an achievement.
Yes. Even if you go nowhere, you should be really proud of
That's right.
this.
Even if it stays parked, it's an achievement.